Ever tried jump-starting your car only to realize you're doing more harm than good? Just like we sometimes need a caffeine boost on a Monday morning, our cars need their own kind of jolt. But hey, we wouldn't pour our coffee into the wrong cup or over our phones, right? Let's treat our cars with the same respect. Cars, like humans, come with quirks and intricacies, especially when they're begging for a power lift. Did you know there's a right way and several wrong ways to resurrect that dead battery? Missteps can not only leave you stranded, but also reduce the life of that pricey battery. So, if you're tired of the silent treatment from your car every chilly morning or after accidentally leaving the lights on, stay tuned. We're about to jump into some battery-saving grace tips. Hey speedsters and Sunday drivers alike, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. This is your pit stop for everything cars, computers, and those pesky issues in between. Whether you're a gearhead or someone who just uses the car to get from point A to point B, we've got something for everyone. Today we're diving deep into the electrifying world of car batteries. And no, it's not as simple as plugging A into B. Think of it as the heart of your car, vital, powerful, but sensitive. So buckle up, or should I say plug in. We're about to explore the dos and don'ts of jump-starting your vehicle. Trust me, your car and your wallet will thank you later. Let's be honest, we've all been there. A silent engine, a desperate hope that the next turn of the key will bring the car to life. But alas, the battery's plea for a jump reigns loud and clear. Though jump-starting is as essential as knowing how to pump gas, it's riddled with myths and mistakes. This is the electrifying guide to navigating the jump-start jungle like a pro. The car manual, often discarded and perpetually neglected. It might not be the next bestseller, but it's a goldmine of car-specific knowledge. Each vehicle has its quirks and nuances, and that manual knows them all. Before you summon your inner mechanic, give that book a once-over. You might discover that your car has unique needs, ensuring your jump start doesn't turn into a tragic comedy of errors. In addition to providing information on jump starting your car, the manual can also offer valuable insights into other maintenance tasks, such as changing a flat tire or checking fluid levels. By familiarizing yourself with the manual, you can confidently navigate through any unexpected car troubles and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, the car manual is your ultimate ally in keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Damaged cables, more than just a bad look. Those slightly worn cables in the trunk, they're not vintage, nor do they hold sentimental value. A frayed cable is like a leaky pipe. It's inefficient, unpredictable, and can spell disaster. Remember, efficiency and energy transfer is vital. Damaged cables can result in half-hearted jumps or, worse, damage to your battery. Prioritize cable health as you would your own. Your battery deserves only the best. Regular maintenance and inspection of your vehicle's cables can prevent potential issues down the road. By replacing damaged cables promptly, you can ensure a reliable and smooth energy transfer, keeping your vehicle running at its best performance. Don't overlook the importance of cable health in maintaining the overall efficiency of your vehicle. The connection conundrum. In the age of endless chargers and plugs, connecting things might seem second nature. But here's where things get tricky. Your car battery isn't a phone. Mixing up terminals can be a costly blunder. Like matching socks after laundry day, plus goes with plus, and minus pairs with minus. It's a simple mantra that will save you from electrical embarrassment. Ensuring the correct connection of terminals is crucial for preventing damage to your vehicle's electrical system. In addition, regularly inspecting and maintaining the condition of your car's cables will help prevent any potential issues that may arise from wear and tear. Ground yourself, not your ambitions. In the haste to get things going, you might overlook the simple act of grounding the negative cable. Attach it to a metal part away from the battery, and you're ensuring an explosive-free experience. Sparks are excellent on the 4th of July, not during your morning car routine. Accessory overdrive the silent power drainers. It's tempting to blast some tunes or enjoy the chilly embrace of the air conditioner. But when you're jump-starting, your battery's like an athlete mid-race. It doesn't need distractions. Keep the entertainment on pause and let your battery breathe. It's concentrating after all. Alright, spark plugs, pop quiz time. If you were a jumper cable, would you prefer a frayed night out or a grounded evening in? A gentle warm-up. Let the save your car lead imagine trying to lift a friend without flexing your muscles first. The rescue car needs a few moments to prepare before the big jump. Let it run for a few minutes. It's gathering its strength, preparing to share that sweet electric energy with its ailing counterpart. The cranking dilemma. Less is more. It's a common scene in movies, a desperate protagonist cranking the car endlessly. While it makes for great cinema, in reality, it's battery torture. Too much cranking can harm the starter or even drain the good battery. It's like stretching a cold muscle. You've got to be gentle. Applying excessive force to the crank can cause damage to the internal components of the car's engine, leading to costly repairs. Additionally, repeatedly cranking the car without giving it enough time to rest can result in a weakened battery, reducing its overall lifespan. Regular maintenance. Your batteries, spa day batteries like us, enjoy a bit of pampering. Occasional terminal cleaning, regular inspections for damages, and overall battery wellness checkups can amplify its lifespan. These maintenance practices can help prevent corrosion and ensure proper connections, which in turn can improve the battery's performance and longevity. Additionally, keeping the battery clean and free from dirt and debris can also contribute to its overall health and efficiency. Think of it as sending your battery to a spa. It'll come out rejuvenated and more efficient. Frozen or cracked batteries. A frosty no-no jump-starting a visibly damaged or frostbitten battery is a gamble you don't want to take. The risks are cinematic in proportion, from sparks to potential explosions. Always give your battery a thorough once-over. If it looks worse for wear, it might be time for a professional's touch. Post-jump ritual: recharge, revive, repeat. So you've successfully revived your vehicle. Kudos. But the job isn't done yet. Batteries once drained and jump-started need a good long charge. Think of it as rehydrating after a marathon. Ensure you indulge your battery in a comprehensive recharge session. This will not only restore its energy levels, but also help prevent future breakdowns. Additionally, it is important to remember that jump-starting a battery is only a temporary solution. If your battery continues to show signs of wear and tear, it is recommended to consult a professional who can assess its condition and provide necessary repairs or replacements. Alright, road warriors, you've navigated the electrifying jungle of jump-starting with us today. If you felt a spark during this adventure, don't leave your engine idling. Drive that enthusiasm right over to the subscribe button for more revved-up content from Car Computer Exchange. Remember, every subscriber adds more fuel to our journey, ensuring we continue to charge forth with more epic content for all you auto aficionados. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and together, let's keep this engine of information purring smoothly. Like matching socks after laundry day, plus goes with plus, and minus pairs with minus. It's a simple mantra that will save you from electrical embarrassment. Ensuring the correct connection of terminals is crucial for preventing damage to your vehicle's electrical system. In addition, regularly inspecting and maintaining the condition of your car's cables will help prevent any potential issues that may arise from wear and tear. Ground yourself, not your ambitions. In the haste to get things going, you might overlook the simple act of grounding the negative cable.